Hello friends, welcome back to the next video of DevOps project. So in this video, we will talk about how we can make some changes to our resources. Changes includes many things. Either you want to update an existing resource, or you want to add a new resource, or you may be interested to delete an existing resource. Everything is possible with the help of your CloudFormation. Okay. So before we execute our template, let's make some changes in our template. We will add something, we'll delete something, and we'll update some existing details. Okay, so let me show you the template and then we will be starting. Okay, so in case you want to delete anything, it's very simple. Simply remove that section from the template file. Either you remove it or you can comment this, and ultimately it will be automatically removed from there. Okay, so let's do one thing. I will remove EC2 instance. So what I will do is I will comment this section. Okay, so you can put hash and ultimately this section will be commented like this. So you can ultimately, you can see, you can think that this section has been removed from your template. So when you run the template again, it will compare with the existing template, and ultimately it will come to know that your template does not have any detail about EC2 instance. So it will delete the EC2 instance from the backend. If it will find any new resource, it will create that for you. So let's do one thing. Let's add one more bucket. So I will copy this. Okay. Give me a moment. I will copy this and I will duplicate. I will paste this one. This is very sensitive for the format indentation. So make sure that you are making it correctly. And two resource cannot have same name. So I will make it my S3 bucket 2. And here also I will make it my test bucket CFN2. Okay. One more thing we can do is for this S3 bucket, first one, right? Instead of using the team name from here, from the parameter, I will change it. I will hard code it. Okay. So instead of alpha, I would say beta. Okay. That means for the existing bucket, I am changing one of the property. I'm changing the tag. So three things I am performing here. I'm updating one existing resource. I'm adding a new bucket and I'm deleting one existing EC2 instance. Okay. So I will save this template, Control S, and now I will go back to my AWS console because from there we will do that. Okay. So you can see that on the stack, there's option to update. You can see that. So click on update and it will ask you the updated template. So what we will do is replace current template. We'll do this, upload a template file, choose file, and whatever changes I have made, right? So I will upload the updated template. So I am doing that. I will click on next. There is some issue. Okay, I got it. So I need to fix that because I will explain like what exactly is the issue. Okay, so the issue is that I have commented the EC2 instance section, but EC2 instance section is being referred in the output section. So I need to comment this part as well. Okay, so I will comment this part. The security group I don't need to comment because security group is still there. So I will make this change and we are good now. Okay, so I am going back to the browser and I need to upload the file again. So I will, so if there is any syntax error, right, that will be displayed on the console and AWS console, and you can read the error message, fix the error and come back again, upload the file again. So I will click on next and this issue is still showing. I will close this, click on next again and one more time next. Okay, so the last section, right, changes. It will display like what type of changes you are doing and you can verify that. So you can see that remove. My EC2 instance will be removed. That's expected, right? Because that's what we are trying to do. My S3 bucket 2 will be added. That's fine. And my S3 bucket will be modified because we are just updating a tag name. So all three combinations are listed here. You can do them one by one, but just for demonstration purpose to make it easy and to make it quick, I am showing you all three possible scenarios: removing of existing instance, adding a new instance, and updating of an existing instance. I am showing these three scenarios in a single update. Okay, so we are good and we will click on submit. Okay, now the events are listed here which we can monitor, because sometimes there can be some error. In that case, you need to look into the issue, you need to fix that, and you have to execute that again. So you can see now it is saying update in progress. That update in progress is for all. That means it can be a update, it can be a delete, or it can be a new addition, right? So let's wait. You can see that my S3 bucket update in progress, my S3 bucket 2 create in progress, and there will be one delete in progress also. That is about EC2 instance. So we'll refresh it. Yes, you can see that my EC2 instance is delete in progress. Okay, so this way we will wait for some time, and once the status of your stack will be updated, then we will verify our things. Okay, so let's wait for a few seconds, and after that we will check whether a new bucket has been created or not, EC2 instance has been terminated or not, and there was a tag value that has been updated or not. These three things we will be checking. Okay, so let's check this out. So first go to stack info, and you can see that update complete. That's good, that's a good news. So now I will go to instances and I will refresh this. Most probably this will be terminated. You can see that. The second instance, the instance ID ending with 5E23, this one is terminated. And that's what was expected. Okay. Now let's verify S3. So I'm expecting one more S3 bucket, and let's see if that has been created or not. So you can see that second last, my test bucket CFN2 has been created, and which was created 2 minutes back. You can see that 18:17, and the current time is 6:20 p.m. So just 4 minutes back it was created, right? And let's check the properties. Let's check the tags for our bucket. So we'll go to properties, and where are the tags? It's here. You can see that team name is beta. Earlier, when we created our bucket first time, the team name we declared as alpha. But later on, as a part of update, we have changed it to beta. Did you notice one thing, that I am not making any change manually? Everything is coming through CloudFormation. That's quite easy and very less error prone. And if you have to do the similar stuff, suppose whatever I did on this account, I have to do this on 10 different AWS accounts. That's quite easy. You can also do the same thing. You can download this template from my Google Drive and you can try this. So the same resources, S3 bucket, one security group, one EC2 instance will be created in your AWS account very quick, within few seconds. Okay, so this is all about how to update your stack. That update can be of any type, and you can manage your entire infrastructure using CloudFormation. So these are the day-to-day activity of a DevOps engineer, and almost every service in AWS can be managed through CloudFormation. One small tip is there. CloudFormation is a native AWS service. If you are planning to manage your infrastructure on other clouds like Google or Microsoft, in that case, there can be some native tool from Google or Microsoft side. But there is a third party tool with the name Terraform that is capable of managing your infra across various cloud. So Terraform can manage your infrastructure on AWS as well as on Google Cloud and other more cloud services as well. Okay, so this is all about this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.